The D light is an indicator that informs you when the drive mode is activated. However, if it starts blinking, it can be an indication of an issue. A blinking D light often points to a problem with the transmission fluid or its components. This light may blink due to low fluid levels in the reservoir, which can be checked using a dipstick. The transmission fluid plays a crucial role in lubricating the gears, and if the level is low, it can cause damage to the vehicle's transmission. To fix this, simply fill the fluid if the level is low. Additionally, a weak or failing vehicle battery can also cause the D light to blink. To diagnose this, a voltmeter can be used to check the battery voltage, and if the battery is failing, it should be replaced. Another possible cause is a faulty shift solenoid, which directs transmission fluid to the right gear. If the shift solenoid fails, it can cause the D light to blink, and other signs such as delayed shifting and difficulty shifting gears may also be noticeable. In this case, it's recommended to have the faulty shift solenoid replaced by a professional.